Okay, now let's go to see how the autoresponder works. We're going to click on this button and we're going to be forwarded to our overview. And now let's go directly to the lists. So we are going to fully understand this, but we're going to go step by step. I'm going to click on list and I'm going to create my first list. I'm going to click on create new list. We are going to fill up this form. We're going to start with list name. You need to type in any name for your list. Then you're going to type in your name. If this is going to be yours, you're going to type in your full name. Or if you're going to handle this by your company's name, you're going to type in your company's name. The same thing with your email address. If this is going to be yours as an individual, you're going to type in your email. Or if you're going to use your company's, you're going to type in your company's. Sender company, if you have a company, you can type in your company name. If not, you're going to type in your name, your full name. And this is very important, the sender address. Please be sure to type in your full company address because this is going to be important for trusting and reliability purposes. We can check out this mark and then we can go and create a list and add a confirmation email. So we're going to click it and we're going to lists again. As you can see, we have our first list already. I'm going to click it again. We are going to settings. And the first step we are going to do is to create a confirmation email. A confirmation email is going to guarantee that you're going to have only verified subscribers. Not spamming email, not fake email. Only verified subscribers. This is going to be 100% good for you and your business, and at the same time, it's going to be good for Webmail Booster. So we're going to go ahead and create a confirmation email. We're going to click this button, and we're going to create from scratch that specific confirmation email. So we're going to type in here our name or our companies and the email address. And then we're going to move forward to the second step next. I'm going to click this check mark and I'm going to click next. And here we have the draft subscription confirmation email. So at the beginning, I will recommend you to keep this as simply as possible. It could be either plain text only or HTML only. I recommend it to be plain text only. And I only recommend you to have the link confirmation. I'm going to remove this part this way. And this is something they're going to receive. You need to be sure they're going to receive the friendly first confirmation email. Something like this. Thank you for subscribing. Please confirm your subscription. And you have subscribed to our list. You just need to activate your subscription by clicking the link below. This is one example. I'm going to move forward to the second example. So it could be something like this. Please subscribe before receiving more information about your request. It is a friendly subject of the message. And then the body of the message is going to have something like, hello and thank you for requesting more information about my product or service. Please click on the link below in order to get all the details. And this is the link. So the friendlier, the better, and the simpler, the better. Finally, I recommend you to close your subscription message by signing it at the end. Something like this. We hope to continue doing business with you. Thanks in advance. If this is your case, if you are offering business or product and services with your subscribers, you need to accommodate this content according to what you're doing, correct? And at the bottom of the message, your name, your full name, your website, if you want to include your phone number, your Facebook profile, your Skype profile, your YouTube profile. What this is going to do, this is going to create more trust and credibility with your subscribers. And this is going to be good. This is going to be well seen for your subscribers. I don't recommend to attach files. So then we're going to the next step. Finally, you can see the preview of this email to yourself. I'm going to do it right away, or you can see it in your browser. So I'm going to choose preview email to myself. I'm going to click it. I'm going to send preview email. And this is the way it looks. I'm going to click it and we got it already. So please close attention to another video tutorial. We're going to explain how can you customize this URL. Because if I click it, I'm going to see something basic. from Webmail Booster. But what about if you want to customize this link? So we're going to go with our list. I'm going to next, and we have our list created. So what we have done right now is to create a list. Then we're going to settings, and we have configured the confirmation email. So let's move to the other video tutorial. We're going to explain how to customize the confirmation email showing your own URL, either when your subscriber subscribes for the first time and when they click the link to confirm your subscription.